Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been doing quite a few reverse stamping designs lately, but ever since I got some new plates from Up Nails, I have just really wanted to do some more reverse stamping because these images are absolutely adorable. And in today's video, I'm going to be using the B061 Summer in the Countryside stamping plate to create a farm-themed nail design. And for my middle nail, I'm going to be stamping this full-size barn image with a black stamping polish, and I'm going to color it in with a bunch of different polishes and a detail brush. And as always, I'll leave a list of the polishes that I'm using down in the description box below. And one question that I always get when I post a reverse stamping design is, how do you stamp the image when the polishes are completely dry? And so what I usually like to do is, once I'm finished coloring in the image, I will apply another coat of my base polish or a sticky base coat, or Lee's Bonder works really well for that, but you could also just apply an extra layer of your base color. So for the nail, I'm going to apply UNT's Ready for Takeoff Base Coat, and then I'm going to apply 2 coats of Butter London's Candy Floss, which is a really pretty light blue polish. And once that's tacky, so not completely dry, I'm going to stamp the barn image onto my nail. And similar to how I did the beach nails that I just posted, I'm going to create a grassy landscape by painting the bottom third of my nail with a green polish. This one is Up Nails Nip It in the Bud. And then I'm going to stamp these farm animals with the same black stamping polish. I ended up only using 3 of them, so I stamped the pig, the cow, and the sheep. And then I colored them in with a bunch of different polishes and a detail brush. And once I finished coloring them in, I just stamped them onto the middle of my nail, and I finished off this design with a fast drying glossy top coat. So here's a look at the finished nails. You can find the stamping plate and the green polish that I used for the grass on whatsupnails.com, and I'll leave a list of all the other products that I used down in the description box below. I'll also leave some links to playlists and any discount codes that I have down there as well. But anyways, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you recreate this design, I'd love to see it, so be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram. But anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!